How to sign out or log out of a Riot application on your Android device, whether you are using a mobile device or your tablets. So first thing to do is to launch open the Riot application on your device and make sure you're in the main home screen. Once you're in, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page, and inside your profile section, go to the upper right corner and look for the gear icon. Tap on that to open up this settings menu. From the settings menu, go all the way down and look for the sign out button. Click on that, but before tapping on sign out, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can get back to the account later on Riot. Now in the pop-up, click the sign out button once again to confirm, and you will be able to sign out of your account successfully. So that's how you easily do it. Signing out of the Riot account is quick and helps keep your account safe, especially if you are using multiple accounts or devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.